What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nick Go. You already know. In today's case, we have another unboxing. This one's coming from Nike, and yeah, let's see what we got inside. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, the whole shebang. Like I said, we're getting close to 200. Appreciate a subscription. All it takes is a couple seconds. Just click the button, and you got me. And this shoe, I'm pretty hyped for it personally. I kind of got a whack size, but it's an Air Jordan 1 tie-dye. This one. We ran NSB on both sides. We couldn't hit because it was like really low stock apparently. But we hit on Nike sneakers, which is always like, that's a huge plus. Okay, I can't cut it. I look stupid though. Whatever. There we go. Alright. So we got the red box. It's done. Pretty cool. Of course, I open it upside down, but it's all good. Box is in pristine condition. That is a plus. So okay, so this is a US women's 7, which equates to a men's 5.5 if everyone is wondering. But it is a red Fearless kind of box. It is kind of nice, just as I always switch it up. I do like the black and red. You can't go wrong with it. But yeah, definitely a super dope box. And this shoe is actually doing, I thought it would be going for a little bit more, just depending on, because this was a little bit more limited than I think people thought. Right now, chilling in my size is around 260, 270-ish. With the 180 like retail, it's not. It's all right. I mean, but personally, I will be holding this pair. But let's get right into the shoe. Just taking it off. Oh, this colorway is just so cool. It's such a summer color. Oh my gosh, bro, these are beautiful. Holy! Take a look. These are mega small, but damn, are they clean. Alright, here you guys have the Air Jordan 1 high tie-dye. Smells delightful. Oh, these are freaking insane. Okay, so let's go over the shoe. So you got like this cool little tie-dye. It's supposed to be like the Northern Lights kind of like color. Actually, I can see, which it's got the blue-green accent. Definitely very cool. Definitely a cool summer colorway. I definitely see these going up in value just because it is such a clean colorway. Personally, I will be holding like I mentioned, but yeah, these are super sick. Lace-wise, I think it was just black, but let's see on the other pair if we did get extra laces. Nope, just black laces with these, which is, I mean, it's alright. They could have done like a cool teal, but here's the other pair, looking pretty cool. You got black bottoms, black laces, and you got this little white area, but definitely a super clean colorway in hand. So it definitely got a lot of hints into that blue green. It definitely matches with like the pool vibe. Definitely a big fan of these. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the detail on like the tie-dye, pretty cool. Leather quality on these, it's alright, not the best quality just because it's this like pattern. I don't know what materials this is. It's not like a suede. It's like kind of like a, I don't know how to describe it. Nylon, kind of something like that. I don't know, but it's a nice materials. So you got leather toe box and you got leather accents on the swoosh and panel right here, the white and the black, which is definitely super dope. And yeah, these are definitely super clean. Now going over what I'd recommend to resell. Let's pull these up on StockX real quick. And move these so you guys can see them. Alright. So there they are. I'm going to pull up StockX right now. Let me see here. Alright. I guess I clicked the wrong thing. Whoopsies. Okay, here it is. Sorry about the wait. Okay, so bigger sizes around 12, 11.5, 11, 10.5. The bigger women's sizes, of course, are going to be doing well because that's going to be fitting men's. This is sitting at, these definitely have, they're chilling 250 right now. Definitely, there's still profit to be made on these, but I definitely would recommend holding your pair. If you did manage to secure a pair, I feel like these are definitely a pretty cool thing. And I think a lot of influencers, I mean, we've seen it with like popular TikTokers or everyone just with the Obsidians, the price is just demand and everything. Oops. Getting a phone call. Sorry about that. But influencers and everything, it definitely brings more demand. These shoes, I feel like they definitely will bring some demand and hype to these that they deserve. These are very dope colorway. Highly suggest copying if you haven't already for a hold. But I personally will be holding these. Drop any comments down below. What are your guys' thoughts on this colorway? I'm a huge fan of it. Definitely can take some dope photos with these. And yeah, that's pretty much going to wrap up the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, the whole shebang. See you guys next time on Nick's Kicks. Peace.